This looks nice. But watch what happens when you change just one thing. Just the edge color completely changes the look. I have crocheted 7 different versions of these scalloped coasters in my favorite spring shades using worsted weight cotton yarn to show you how a simple color change can completely transform your home decor. You can enjoy these color ideas for your next spring project. Now, I made this just to show off these palettes. But if you love this scallop design as much as I do, let's reach a goal. If we get 20 yes comments on this video, I will film a full beginner-friendly tutorial just for these coasters. I have another video coming up soon with more spring vibes and showing you how they look in acrylic yarn for a set of 7 mini organizational baskets. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my exciting spring projects and beginner tips. I hope you loved this video. Thank you for watching.